How to log into your Twitch account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into your Twitch account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and simply go ahead and type in Twitch login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites from where you need to click on the initial one that says Twitch login and indicates a website of www.twitch.tv. Simply click on it. Then you will be taken to the official website of Twitch, where you have to simply enter the correct form of your username in the first field, followed by your password. Then simply go ahead and click on login. And if you have any trouble logging into your account, simply go ahead and click on this link of trouble logging in. Then you can go ahead for your account recovery, where you have to enter the correct form of your phone number in this field and click on continue. Or you can also use your email address. And if you don't have a Twitch account yet, you can simply go ahead and switch to sign up. That is just beside the login option. And here on this page, type in your username, your password, which must be at least 8 characters long, and also enter your correct form of your date of birth, followed by phone number, or you can also use an email. And after you have entered all the information correctly in this form, simply go ahead and click on the sign up button. So this is how you can actually log into your Twitch account. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.